Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Adolf Ronaldo. I'm going to teach you about how to earn money from OSY Money .win. Many people don't trust it because it looks like a fake one. Facebook blocks it, and many other accounts doesn't want to give access to it. But I trust it. The reason why I trust it is because I have someone who is working in, and that person is not going to lie to me. So I registered as a username Troti1996 and my password is private. So I log in. This is about teaching you how to earn money. This is really true, guys. I want you to trust it. So if I did not register yet, I would show you how to register, but it's simple. This is my link. If I copy my link and then I go to a new tab and I paste the link, I copy it like Colin, and then I enter. I think they're still gonna give you the same thing, but guys, I think I need to log out to show you how to log in your account. So let me log out to show you. So here I log out. So how is someone going to register? You're going to read everything, see the welcome page, and then you're gonna see everyone who got paid. Many million people is working for these organizations, but it's really true, guys. I want you to trust it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you how to register and earn. You click register and earn, and then now you put your username. My username is Adroti, and my email is Radolf, and then my password is the same thing. Yes, I can use this, and then I enter this code 3466, and then I click register. Once I register, they're gonna give me this page. They're gonna give me this. So I click on this, start watching paid ads. Click. And once I click, so your account is gonna be zero, sure, because you're a newcomer. But me, I'm not a new one. I have 164. That one. I'm gonna enter this code, which is 6615, and then I enter, and then you see now I have 2, and now I enter the next code, which is 96 and 78, and then I continue, and then over here, if you look at this, it's 2, and then once I continue, it's gonna be 3 over here. So each code is 10 cents. So it's gonna be 150 for the newcomers. You're gonna be taking it for Western Union or your credit card or something else. This is my referral attracted. I have 3 referral attracted. I need 40 to be taking this money. Okay, guys. If I have 3, I need to bring 40 more people. This is where it's hard. It's very hard. So I want you to trust this. It's really true, guys. And then if you would like to withdraw your money, you can go to payment method. If you have a credit card or PayPal account, Bitcoin, or to a bank account or Western Union. Most people like Western Union because it's the easiest one for them. So I rather too. I have a PayPal account. I can give my PayPal and name and everything, or my credit card, or to a bank account. Just copy the link, and then let's try Western Union and continue. So I'm gonna be selecting my country. I'm in Haiti. So my name is Ronaldo Adolf, and this is my address. So this is my phone number. My phone number is 54 21 and 93.88. So I continue. So here they say source OSY Money that the withdrawal funds request has accepted. So I say okay. So they say withdrawal of earnings funds, your withdrawal request, the Western Union transfer amount 164. The request is approved and ready to withdraw. For withdrawal money, you must attract 40 referrals. So now I have 3. And then they say to our website, at the moment you attracted 3 referrals. Referrals are only attracted once. Next, you will be able to receive payments without a minimum amount and without attracting referrals. Link to attract referral. This is my link, as I showed you before. So I need 40 referrals to be to have this on my Western Union name to send me the money. So it's really true, guys. I want you to trust it. I think this is my payment details, everything. Well, and then I would like you guys to know this is true. Don't ignore it. It's really true. I thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.